them fuck around and get the service and you out. You might be here too. Just like their blood on this fuck. I jump in the pussy like a hurricane. I make it flood, I make it drip, I make it rain. There's men on the brain time. You can try to hang every time they see it, keep down the fucking the man.
When we over there?
Okay, swag. Riding just electric. PSC in the shit, might be playing on the second. Forward, maybe 5. Might be playing live. Like the track start, nigga on the track, I'm gon' strive for that money. Never been no dummy. Don't fuck with niggas that's bummy. Don't fuck with niggas coming. Fuck with real niggas, real G's, real gangsters. Never been no gangster. Got a knife, I shake you. Got a gun, I shoot you. Got a gun, I blast you. I don't give a fuck, cop truck instead of half it. Let a nigga have it. Nigga is a half it. I already know bad bitches gotta have it. Yeah, they on my team. Yeah, I'm so clean. Yeah, we fired up with the scene. Yeah, we had a fresh. Nigga, we so fresh and we icy. Got a bunch of bad bitches. Yeah, them hoes like me. I'm the little white chick and fresh Nikes. Come on, fuck with us. Do you know you hoes like me? I'm big ballin' like Bill Gates, bitch. Come on me and talk shit. You get the whole clip. And I ain't playing niggas, yeah, I'm the soldier.
Hey, yes, a piece up on the track. Nigga wanna spit, but damn, I spit it like a Mac. My shit is just immaculate. I swear to God, I smack a bit. I'm coming like a spatula. These niggas cannot fuck with bruh. Man, I'm just that nasty tuck. Matter of fact, I'm what the fuck. These niggas wanna play it, but I'm coming like this every truck. Damn, it's just some nipping tuck. Man, I'm on that TV show. Nigga wanna stop, man, I'm just fucking like the TV hoe. Man, I'm just gonna bust it down. Something like a busting sound. Nigga wanna talk about that beef, I say this shit the cow. Man, I'm gonna get the pow. Bang, bang, I shoot 'em up. These niggas wanna talk to me, you know we just recruiting, but we do our game. Shoot 'em up, I shoot 'em down. Bust that, I bust the motherfucking ride. To they chest, man. Cardiac arrest, man. Don't get me started, I might just get this, man. Hold up, man. Nigga never give a fuck. Hit 'em with this bean, niggas get the tummy tuck. Nigga get the tummy tuck. Nigga get the tummy tuck. I'm the one that gets the bread, so I get the money up. Yeah, I get my money up. Yeah, I stay going fed. Plus bad bitches gonna die, so they giving head. In the bed, sucking third leg. I don't give a fuck, real niggas. Bitch, we never scared of these shit, nigga. Who I'm with, nigga? That's my fucking clique, nigga. Suck my dick, nigga. Swag legs. This girl gets the ice tags. I'm like winter nigga, so I'm just throwing the shit. Move out this shit. I swear to God, the nigga crawling. Damn, I'm just pimping. Damn, I'm back to my pimping. So where's ring? Need to get to the wimping. Man, I'm just shitting, blitzing in a lot of it. I swear to God, I'm hot like it. Niggas wanna play, but damn, I'm rotten. Some rotten shit. Swear to God, I'm vomit. And these niggas wanna play, and then I'm blowing like a diamond. Matter of fact, they're coming. I'm coming from outer space. I swear to God, I'm marching, so it's ugly up on my face. Not cute like these pretty boys. Niggas get that army joy. I put that Ruger in your shit and bury you. Hey, and I'll bury you. 6 feet deep. These niggas steady talking shit, but these checks so weak. I'm a freak. Better yet, call me Hannibal. I bite like Dracula, hit like Amazon. Hit like a hammer. Fuck on to the slammer. I go hard just like man who saved the family. Keep a bad bitch. Love cat bitch, call me buzz butter bitch, I need my carrot. Money over everything, then M.O.E. R.I.P. the PLC, can't forget M.O.E. That's Big Mo. I keep that lane in the styrofoam. I keep a bad yellow bitch giving hella dog. I ride hella chrome. That's 84s. Hit the club, come up out and leave by 4 hoes. Yo, I hit the wrong. That's a RG. Bad bitch, yep, they love to fucking spoil me. They love to spoil weed. SWAG. Niggas all up on my shit till a nigga flee. If you know nigga flee, till a nigga fly. Wings on my back, so I'ma fly right. Until the day I die, until the day I live. And if a nigga talking down and beating hard like Jib, that's King Kong, man. I might smoke with Cheech and Chong, man. Hold up, yellow bitch in the thong, man. She in my bed, ho. Yes, she giving head, ho. I got that 4, 5, and a 9. I see you with that leg, ho. Nigga might be bow you with my fucking elbow. Pass the mic to my niggas. Watch you raise hell, ho. Hold up, check. Cynical. Hey, bitches just got paid spit this shit happily. I swear to God, havically, it'll be a tragedy. Fucking with me stupid, so you like the Mad Hatter, see? And I'm about to get up in your wonderland, I'm blowing. Swear to God, I'm knowing like the shit I'm exposed. I swear to God, y'all niggas just a free throw. 3 points, I'm coming now like 3 oinks. No swine for me, these niggas wanna play, but I'm just chillin' VIP. With your bitch on my DIC. No, I'm just playing, back to the beat. I'm over here hitting the heat. I'm cold like the creek. Nigga wanna play with the ground. I'm holding my sound. Mac is hearing the sounds, hearing the rounds. It's 4 rails or spirals. I blow like spiral. These niggas wanna play the hydro. I get low. Damn, I'm just up no. I'm just 8 foot, 9 foot. Shit, bitch, my dick is 10 foot. So get up off my phone. Yes, I go long. On the X-Kill, bitch, I always go strong. Gonna say long. Yeah, my braids long. Tell your bitch come here and then she suck my damn bone. That's my third leg. Bitch that she fed. Niggas already know, bitch, I love eating bread. Don't forget the cheese. It that her on her knees. For goddamn, these niggas slide and flee.
I'll say a third leg. Nigga got an extra one. Nigga got 1, 2, pulling out my extra gun. I'ma bust that shit. And you better run. Better hide by the tree. That's for the stump. Get lumped with the bullets. Cause yeah, they hot. I'm on the block trying to get it. This is rock. This is not the ride. Nigga coming through like the fucking Robocop. Arrest you, nigga in that Lexus. Coming in this bitch, yes, I ripped that new protection. And I don't give. Oh, this nigga got 21 minutes left, you understand me? I'm finna switch the beat up, you know. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get it live, nigga. Africa, nigga. 10-19, nigga. Ben Franklin.